Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor there. Welcome to my tube. Welcome to my tube community of about, I don't know, close to 40,000 people, I guess. I thank you for being here, each and every one of you. I give you the best IRS information I can. I'm kind of an IRS insider. I worked there 10 years. I feel like I'm one. I know every drawer and everything in the office I was in. But I want to talk to you today about the LT11 notice. It is the final notice IRS sends you. Every time you get an IRS letter, you say, oh, is this it? Is IRS going to levy now? Is IRS going to levy then? Is IRS going to lien here? Is IRS going to do something here? And the answer is when you get your LT11, you're at the end of the rope. Letters pretend that you've got to pay by this date, a final notice, they're going to do this by this date. Your LT11 comes with a little folder in there that says you can file a collection due you can file for a collection due process. If you have got this letter at this point in time, if you don't call somebody, file that collection due process. Because if you haven't figured your exit strategy out on your case and what you're going to do with it, the end of that 30-day letter, of that letter you have in your hand, IRS is going to do maybe 4 things. Garnish your wages. By the way, I'm a former agent. I've done this. Bank accounts, take your passport, and file a federal tax lien. That's all going to come. The wrath of IRS is coming after this letter. So this is just a big heads up to you. You got to do something. So in filing the collection due process, what you're going to do is you're going to have an appeals hearing. Someone is going to go ahead and hear your case, why you are appealing. Are you appealing because you can't pay? You want to file an offer? What's the reason you're appealing? Well, most people really don't have a plan in action, and what IRS is going to do, that appellate officer is going to look at your case, get the financial statement, understand, and send that information back to the person who's actually in control of your case, sometimes a revenue officer, for that person to make a decision. The appeals officer cannot enforce anything who this case is going to right now at the end of the LT11. That case has to go back to an agent who has the authority to take action and close your case. So if you got an LT11, God save the Queen, God save whoever, but you better take action. If you need me, call me. Please do something at the end of the 30 days. I'll hang on to your bank account because that money is going to be gone. If you need me, I've worked thousands of IRS cases, and now you know the truth. Thank you.